Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Revise with me the homeopathic remedy Antimonium crudum. Its common name is sulfide of antimony, and this is part 1 general overview series spanning within 7 minutes. So it is a quick review. The text is from Allen's keynote and supplemented by Borick, Clark, and Ken Mathur. This text is most suitable for BHMS students, interns, MD, UPSC, and PSC aspirants. The remedy profile is it is a polycrest remedy best suited to the gastric and emotional complaints. The kingdom is mineral kingdom, and the source is chemical compound of antimony and sulfur. The preparation: triturations of antimony sulfide are prepared with sugar of milk. The remedy was proved by Caspary and which was later proved by Dr. Henneman in 1828. The organ tissue affinity of this remedy is mind, digestive tract, skin, and soul. Lateral affinity is ambilateral and thermal affinity is ambithermal. The constitution: the somatic predilectation is children and young people who are inclined to grow fat. Extremes of life: childhood and old age. Tendency for thick and unhealthy skin. The psychic preponderance is the temperament is very sentimental and mental sphere goes child is fretful, peevish, cannot bear to be touched or looked at, sulky. Anxious, lachrymose mood, the slightest thing affects her. Depression, great sadness and weeping, abject despair, suicidal thoughts by drowning, and mania is irresistible desire to attack in rhymes or the repeated verses. The causation is diathesis is for rheumatic and gouty affections. The exciting cause is disappointed love, river bathing, exposure to extreme of heat and cold, suppressed eruptions, sunburn, gastric and intestinal affections by overeating from bread and pastry, acids, especially vinegar, sour or bad wine. The characteristics of this remedy include it is a bad effects of disappointed love, loathing of life, great sadness and weeping, sentimental mood in moonlight, irresistible desire to talk in rhymes and poems. A thick, milky white coated tongue is a characteristic feature. Desires for acid and pickles, cannot bear the heat of sun. Disposition to thickening of skin, warts, corns, and eczema. Dislikes cold bathing, alternate constipation and diarrhea, especially in old people. The absence of pain where it should be expected. Sweat from slightest exertion, and when symptoms reappear, they change their locality. Aversion to cold bathing, thirstlessness is marked. The relationship: remedies that follows well is murk, pulse, and sulfur. Complementary remedy is spilia. The general modalities include the aggravation is after eating, cold bath, acid or sour wine, after heat of sun or fire, extremes of cold or heat. The amelioration is in the open air, during rest, and after a warm bath. The miasmatic orientation of this remedy is, let us go for miasmatic markers. Mania and depression are psychotic miasmatic trait. It is fluctuation, extreme. Joint affections are psychotic miasmatic marker. Nail deformity are psychotic miasmatic markers. Obesity is psychotic marker. Therefore, the impression is that antimonium crudum is predominantly a psychotic remedy and Sura is in the background. The posology. The doses, lower potencies from 6 to 12 is advised in syphilis, higher potencies from 30 to 200 debris advised in gastrointestinal and mental characteristic symptoms. Repetition to be given in single dose and not to be repeated unless required. To be repeated in cases of syphilitic affections and that too also in lower potencies. Duration of action is 4 weeks. The clinical application is childhood obesity, depression, diarrhea, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, temper tantrums of children, headache, dyspepsia, flatulence, deformed nails, corns, whooping cough, cold, sunburn. Thank you very much for patient listening.